Are you new to Ecwid and in search of the best dropshipping apps? Welcome to the world of e-commerce, where platforms like Ecwid provide a solid foundation for your business. Imagine running a store without needing to manage inventory or shipping. That's the magic of dropshipping. It's a fantastic model for beginners, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer service, while suppliers take care of the rest. With the right apps, dropshipping on Ecwid can be a breeze. Let's dive into the top 5 apps that can make your dropshipping journey easier. Starting off our list is Spocket, a highly rated dropshipping app. With Spocket, the task of finding suppliers and products becomes a breeze. It's like having a personal assistant that does the heavy lifting for you. All you have to do is choose the products you want, and Spocket does the rest. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Ecwid, making your dropshipping journey smoother and more efficient. So if you're after reliability and ease of use, Spocket is a great choice. Next on our list is Modelist, another top-rated dropshipping app. Modelist stands out with its extensive selection of products, ensuring you always have something unique to offer your customers. But that's not all. It also offers fast shipping, a feature your customers will certainly appreciate. What's more, Modelist automates the dropshipping process, making it a breeze for beginners to manage their business on Ecwid. No need to fret over logistics. Modelist is perfect for those seeking variety and automation in their dropshipping business. Coming in at number 3 is Printful, an ideal app for those interested in print-on-demand dropshipping. Printful shines with its extensive array of customizable products. From t-shirts to tote bags to phone cases, you name it, they have it. What's more, Printful's print-on-demand service allows you to create and sell your designs without the hassle of inventory management. And the cherry on top, it integrates seamlessly with Ecwid, making the process even smoother. If you're looking to sell unique, customized products, Printful is the app for you. At 4th place is Oberlo, a popular choice among dropshippers. Oberlo boasts an extensive product marketplace teeming with a variety of goods curated from suppliers worldwide. But what really sets it apart are features like supplier ratings, helping you make informed choices, and sales tracking capabilities, giving you insights into your business performance. Oberlo simplifies the dropshipping process, making it less daunting for beginners on Ecwid. Oberlo is great for beginners who want a wide range of products and an easy-to-use platform. Last but not least, we have Dropship, a powerful app for dropshipping from AliExpress. Picture this, a tool that seamlessly integrates with AliExpress, making it easy to import products directly into your Ecwid store. This is exactly what Dropship offers, but it doesn't stop there. Dropship also provides automated order fulfillment. This means, once a customer places an order, the app automatically sends it to AliExpress for processing. No more tedious manual order entries. Isn't that a breeze? Dropship also offers product customization options. You can tweak product descriptions, edit images, and set your own prices. This flexibility allows you to tailor products to your brand and target market, giving you a competitive edge. What's more, Dropship provides a platform for beginners to start a dropshipping business with products from AliExpress, making it a one-stop solution for all your dropshipping needs. If you're planning to source products from AliExpress, Dropship is the app for you. So there you have it, the top 5 Ecwid dropshipping apps for beginners. Spocket, with its easy-to-use interface; Modelist, known for high-quality products; Printful, for those keen on print-on-demand; Oberlo, a favorite for its range of products; and of course, Dropship, a comprehensive solution for your dropshipping needs. These apps can make the daunting task of starting and managing your dropshipping business on Ecwid much more manageable. Remember, the right app can make your dropshipping journey on Ecwid a lot easier. Choose the one that best fits your business needs. Until next time, happy dropshipping!